So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo ThinkBook 16 driver download audio and other all. So guys, open any browsers to search Google search book to type like that Lenovo ThinkBook 16 driver download and go to this first URL, which is the pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially Lenovo officially website, so you can download driver easily. So you can see here, if you are showing is a different laptop, so no worry about that. You just enter the serial number and then click to search. After that you can see your laptop here. Okay, so you can install driver. There are two method: first automatic and then second manual. So you just click to scan now. After that automatically scan and require driver to install. Okay, second is auto manual. So manual, in this guys, you have facing some issue, separate driver, separate devices, so require driver, so you can download. So just click to driver and then you can see this is all driver here. After I click to audio, so Intel, like that. Okay, so install any, you can install in Intel sound on real tech also, which is your requirement. Okay, so installations process just same. Just click to download, wait few seconds. After that automatically download it start. It will complete. Single click to setup, then click to yes, then okay, then I accept, then next, select the install, then next, install. After you can see guys, click to finish and then restart your system.